Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace this piece of base vertical trim on your trunk. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to remove this trim bracket from your trunk. To do that, we just take out the two screws that are holding that in, set those screws off to the side, along with the trim bracket, set that to the side. Down here on this bottom corner protector, we're just going to loosen these screws. We don't need to remove them. That'll allow us to slide out this piece of base vertical trim. Get rid of that one. Attach our new one. Just slide that down into that bottom corner protector. Tighten up the two screws on the corner protector. Now all we have to do is put our trim bracket on. Go ahead and tighten that screw about halfway. Catch that second screw now. Completely tighten that screw. Come back to our first one. Completely tighten that one. And we're done.